Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
Okay. So the question is all about the global infrastructure facility. See, first of all, you need to know what is global infrastructure facility. Okay, it is the initiative of the G20. Okay, but it is managed by the World Bank. Who introduced this means it is G20 countries. Okay, so it is the initiative of the G20 of the global collaboration platform that integrates the efforts to boost the private investments in the sustainable and quality infrastructure projects in the developing countries and emerging markets. Which means, see, consider that any country, okay, consider it is a India. Okay, India is have a plan of creating a large port facility, but they don't have that much fund for it. Okay, even the private are not ready to spend that much amount. Okay, in such a scenario, how you will create that infrastructure and how you will make the economy to grow. Okay, so in that scenario, what we can do is, for that only they created this global infrastructure facility. Okay, so it is a partnership among the governments, multilateral development banks, private sector investor and financiers. Okay, it is designed to provide a new way to collaborate on preparing, structuring and implementing the complex project that no single institution could handle it on its own. Okay, so for that only they created this global infrastructure facility. Okay, so even though if the government is ready to do certain project means, they can't have that much of ideas or a creativeness to implement that project. Okay, to construct any projects. Okay, so for that they need certain help. Okay, or else transfer of technology from other countries. Okay, or else how to say, best engineers they may need. Okay, so or else they need higher money to be spent. Okay, so for that only they created this global infrastructure facility. Okay, to comprehensive project support provided by this global infrastructure facility draws on the combined expertise of its technical and advisory partners. Okay, so this group, which includes commercial banks, institutional investors, ensures that well-structured and bankable infrastructure projects are brought to market in a way that substantially meet the needs of the government. Yes. Okay, it is overseen by the governing council. Okay, so that are the things about what is global infrastructure facility, and it is co-chaired by the World Bank groups. Okay, so it is the Asian Initiative, wrong. Okay, it is the initiative of OECD, wrong. It is the initiative of the UNSAT, it is also wrong. So the answer is World Bank collaboration that facilitate the preparation and structuring the complex infrastructures of public-private partnership to enable the mobilization of the private sectors and institutional investor capital. That is the right thing. So answer is B. Okay, sometimes they will go for a direct questions. Okay, this is one kind of a direct question. Okay, it was asked in 2016. Okay, at that time it was in the news, so they directly pick it and they place it in the UPSC Prelims question. Okay, sometimes UPSC may do this also. Okay, so previous question we said about they may ask a question based on the numbers. Okay, here they are go for such easy questions also. Okay, so these things also happens. Okay, thank you.